Weekend before you do anything. We just escaped from the the water. Yeah, we just finished up our job, and then this happened.
Gotta wring my hat out.
Oh, my back is sore. I've been given a new pair of work boots, but they look pretty sav. Could wear them out partying. So that's upsetting. I just had a time lapse of just working at the end, and I'm upset because it's corrupted or something. There's no file. It says 0:00. It was really cool. There was. Hopefully it recovers. I don't know. I'm not wearing a shirt because it started raining, so I'm just drying that on the seat. But yeah, I'm gonna leave now. So I got home. Yeah, I had a shower, obviously. It was just crazy. The water was... It was fine up until the last minute and a half, then it just got so full on. I'm in the garage. And, yeah, not much here, just... It looks like there's a lot's going on, but there's nothing going on. So, I'm all kitted up to go to the gym. I know it seems pretty stupid, but I need to go. I haven't gone enough, and I need to go more. Just so I can get fit for school and just for my own healthy well-being. Before I head off, that's so annoying. Like, the whole of Adelaide was flooded today, and now it's sunny. I just don't know why it's so sunny. It was, yeah, I'll see if I can get some footage, but there's quite literally like huge dips in certain parts, like, and then there's a video of a truck, like a guy in an SUV going through it. I'll see if I can get it. But wow, it was just, and then where I was, I thought it would be flooded in the hills, but apparently not. In Adelaide, it was just flooded everywhere. Everything was flooded, and then 2 hours later, there's zero sign of water being there, except for the dirt trails. So when the dirt runs off across the road going down the hill, that's the only signs that it's been flooded. While I have time, why don't I tell you about the time we went to Bali, and the time we were going back to Australia from Bali. So in the markets we found heaps of, little cool knickknacks, knives, watches, glasses. Obviously they're all fake, none of them were real. You had Ray-Bans, Zippo lighters, BB guns, this, that, whatever. And a lot of the stuff was not allowed in the country, or it also was non-internationally allowed to be travelled with. So being 12, maybe 13 years old, and paired up with me and my brothers, we bought all these zipper lighters, 100 Playboy thing on it, Lamborghini, Jack Daniels, Ferrari, like some psychedelic one. They all look cool. We weren't, we're just like collecting stuff that was shiny. We're like magpies or birds. And I think there's a 2 lighter limit per person. And to overcome this, we decided that we should put all the lighters in our little brother's bag. He was 6. I think Vince, or someone, I don't know, I can't remember who, someone had the idea to put like 6 in one person's bag. So carrying on, if you guys have ever been to those countries, they don't care whether you're 2 years old or 20 years old. You're treated as a person, and in the order of law. So my little brother got held up because it was his bag, held up by 2 guards with like big machine guns, and he has no clue what's going on. I don't know what the situation was, but we got held up, and it found out that we were like, well, what has he done? Has he brought in like bought a gun or something? And it turns out that he had too many lighters, and then they didn't just let us go, take our lighters and let us go. They held us up and just, oh. So, for those who are considering not abiding by the country's laws of any country, you probably should. Not only doesn't matter whether it's no littering in Singapore or no, don't kill anyone. Just do it. Just follow the law. That's probably my advice. Much like follow my advice of using sunscreen. I'm sorry it's a little one today. I'm pretty tired, and I'm probably gonna go to bed. It's like 5:40 or something, so I'm probably gonna go to bed at like as soon as I eat, just collapse and lay on the floor. Collapse on the floor. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm sorry it's a little one today. I'm pretty tired, and I'm probably gonna go to bed. It's like 5:40 or something, so I'm probably gonna go to bed at like as soon as I eat, just collapse and lay on the floor. Collapse on the floor. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.